and you get to that download page.
Now guys, if you're looking for a great deal on SurfShark, please get it your phone, scan this QR code, and get yourself up to 86% off and up to 5 free months. Do it before the deal is over. When you click,
you get to that download page, come down to the latest or the backup. Short little file to download. Click install and click done. Delete the APK file as we no longer need it. And guys, back out once and check out all the other awesome applications available for the Amazon Fire TV stick. We can go back to the home screen, find the application under the Your Apps and Games section, click on the icon, open it up. Click OK. And on the left side here we got schedules, channels, watch lists. On the right side, all matches, or we can do baseball, NFL, NHL. And of course we're looking for some NFL. And under our schedule we have all the games already listed for our next 2 weeks of the season opener. Enjoy.